This is Malawi, the warm heart of Africa. Today in Malawi, I'm taking on one of the country's most beautiful adventures, hiking Dedza Mountain. Malawi is known for its stunning landscapes and rolling mountains. It offers views like no other, and at over 2,000 meters high, this hike promises some incredible panoramic scenes. Let's see what the top really looks like.
Woo! Wow! Wonderful!
So we are in the skies, Malawi! Malawi has taken me to the skies. Guys, can you believe that? I'm happy to present to you the beauty of Malawi! Woo! Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another episode from Malawi. We are here to explore what to do in Malawi. We're going to find out what Malawi has for us, from culture to nature to lifestyle and to tradition, everyday Malawi. So today we are going to hike a mountain hike. That's what we're going to do today. And if there is any other activities we will do, we are here in Dedza. Then from here we move on to another city. So let's go for the mountain hike. Let's go. Guys, it's cold. It's been raining since I entered the country. It's 3 days now and it has been raining every day. I don't know if I can do this hike, but let's go. Let's go. I think I can do it. Let's go. Guys, so this is the mountain that we are going to cross. As I told you, it has been raining the whole day, so you can see it's not clear up there. But we are going up there. But my tour guide, Simeon. Malawi is cool, beautiful. Look at these mountains. Cool and beautiful. Green everywhere. The name Dedza means what?
Dedza, it means the floats.
Float.
Yeah, in the 1870s, there were some rock floats in that mountain. They were specifically found in that fountain. So,
this mountain?
Yeah, it was called Dedza.
Oh, okay.
Because of the people outside Malawi, they were failing to spell the name Dedza.
Oh, okay.
So they were just named it Dedza.
Dedza.
Yeah.
Oh.
The original name is Dedza.
Dedza. Ah.
As of now, we don't have such a place because of climate change.
Oh, okay. Catholic Church, Roman.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, so this is a
Place where
football park. Golf.
Yeah,
Oh, this was a golf park.
golf club. Yeah.
Oh, golf club.
Yeah.
Is Dedza that big, or that's Mozambique?
This is
Dedza.
It's just there.
Behind the,
There's mountain.
it's Mozambique.
So the border is just after, before those mountains. There are some tracks. But those buildings are at the border.
Oh, okay. So all here is Dedza. Oh, okay. But the mountainside is Mozambique. Oh, okay.
That is what we call Kalomwe.
Kalomwe.
Yeah.
It's in Mozambique.
Yeah, that's Mozambique.
Oh, okay. Wow.
The stadium is just very close.
Stadium?
After that tower.
Ah, okay. After this tower. It's a very big stadium.
But I think we are going to see it when we
Okay.
go there to see the beach there.
Oh, okay.
We call it a community ground.
Oh, okay. Oh, I hope it shines today. That because it has been raining this morning. I was like, hey, please, rain, stop. Yeah. Me, I didn't bring a sweater on this trip. Really? British colonized Malawi. Oh. So when did you gain your independence? 1998?
1994.
If you're not wrong, 1994. Oh, that's way before Zambia gained independence. Oh.
After being colonized, that's when the Malawi said that now we are they have to be independent.
Mm-hmm.
have like multi-party systems, something like that, democracy. They declare that now it's rice.
Kwacha rice. Oh. Rice energy.
She's resting.
Energy.
She's saying that she's waiting for me. I don't know.
I'm waiting for you.
No, you are resting.
He's back. I have to wait for him, my small boy. Someone can come and bite him.
My God.
How many hours are you saying you're hiking?
Just 3 hours only. It's not enough. It's not many.
3 hours in?
3 hours up, 3 hours back. Imagine. Very small. Like drinking water, please. It's not tough.
I don't think this is going to be easy.
But the way you are doing, I think you can make it less than 4 hours.
Really?
Yep. This is true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Looks very fit.
Yeah.
Look, guys, she's very, very fit.
Hey, you're lying.
She's learning everywhere.
You're lying.
Take care. There are some ants.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this tree?
These are called pine trees.
They're called what?
Pine trees.
Oh.
In some places, like in German, they call Danabo.
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 Yep.
Yeah. For you. Wow. So all these places.
Very funny.
It's laughing at
She's tired. Look, guys.
I'm resting.
She said that she's going to make it less than an hour, but I'm just wondering the way she's doing.
You can do it.
I can do it.
Energy.
Energy.
Yeah. That's funny.
Yeah.
This guy is slow. Every time I have to wait.
Always.
Yeah.
She always waits for me. As you can see, is this waiting or resting?
Waiting.
Judge, guys.
I'm waiting for you. Hurry up and come.
She's waiting for me.
Woo! Sweating. And look at me.
Not at all.
The weather is cold, but I'm sweating.
Then guys, you're gonna judge here. What's happening?
I'm waiting for her.
She's waiting for me. Opposite is it true?
Wow. That is Malawi. Wow. It's naturally beautiful.
Yes. Really tired. Look, guys. Wow. Can I pour you some water? The cold one? She finished 2 liters at this moment. 2 liters. I didn't even have even a small sip. See? Wow. Bottle number 5. Look. Yeah, bottle number 5. That's how she's doing. Oh, but she's fast. Very, very fast. I've seen experience. Yeah, exactly. 8:40. This is something before 10. Oh wow, she's taking shower. Guys, this is not just a joke. Here's your stick. Is that my stick? Okay, good. But we'll see in the process. She's going to the market to sell these.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of money, eh?
And mukagulisa ndama zambiri. Just a little.
Oh.
And you are just making her something like weak. You are weakening her body.
They carry their slippers at their back.
Yeah. Yes.
So they're going to serve?
Yeah, they are going to sell. Chabwino muzalibeza.
We saw a mushroom. This is my first time seeing a colorful mushroom. See that?
Yeah.
Wow. I saw a red mushroom in Zambia.
Okay.
Is it like this? Is it the same as this one? Pink or
I can
red?
say it's almost the same,
Okay.
but especially this one, they can be found in a place where there are pine trees.
Oh, this is a pine tree?
Yeah,
Oh,
these are the
okay.
pine trees, as you can see here.
Mm.
Yeah. So the way of eating them, they make sure that they are drying that
This one?
mushroom.
They dry it.
Yeah, using the sun, and then they can be easier to cook.
Okay.
Yeah. They can be
Look at
easier
these
to eat.
animals are eating it.
Oh, they are lying
Yeah,
there.
they are eating.
Yeah.
Let me just put it down.
Okay. I'm waiting for you. At first, she was waiting for me, and she grabbed my stick. Look. Yeah, almost the top. Yeah, she's tired.
Oh, they're not yet.
Not yet.
Ah.
Nice, nice, nice.
The vapor. See? All over. Yeah, it's very cold.
It's very cold.
Yeah. Oh.
We are in the clouds.
They're touching the sky.
We can touch the sky. Look.
So where do you pass?
Right there.
Where?
That way.
Up there?
She's guiding me.
Yeah, that's sorry.
I'm following you.
Step where I step.
Yeah, exactly. I'll definitely do that. Yeah. Where can I step here?
Me, I don't even know. Me, I don't even know.
I think I'll struggle as what she's doing. I'll struggle the same as she's doing.
Guys, we're up here and it's cloudy, vapor all over. You can't even see anything. So this is what I was seeing yesterday, like when you're down there, it's clear, then vapor coming out of the mountain. Wow. This is one of the beautiful hikes I've ever done. Made it! Made it, guys!
Oh, she's failing to touch the pillar. Woo! Wow, wonderful. My guide now is at the peak. Now you can see she's glimpsing the world on top of everything. Wonderful. Yeah, it is.
I'm happy to present to you the beauty of Malawi!
Woo! We are just on top of everything. You see how far we are coming from?
See the beauty. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful?
Wow.
Very beautiful.
Jeez.
I guess from here you can see Lake Malawi,
But because of the
clouds,
so
cloudy.
we can't see it.
This is nature. This
direction.
is peace. This is peace, guys. What? Wow. I'm so happy to be here. I'm glad I didn't give up. 5 fucking hours.
Imagine
Here.
with 2 walking sticks.
Lying. Don't mind. Don't mind. He's lying. Wow. Dedza.
Dedza, yeah, that's it.
Great. This is great. Wow. Wow. Guys, I'm fetching water from a stream.
Lintipe.
Lintipe, salt.
Lintipe. Yeah.
Oh.
Lintipe.
So I have 2 bottles here.
Yep.
We're hiking down, and I will need it for the road.
In case.
It's very cold, and you can see it's freezing.
Yeah, it's very cold.
And it's clean, guys. Very clean.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Guys, we are done with the hike. It was a very interesting one. Could you believe that when we were up there, it was raining here? See? It was raining down here. That's why it was so cloudy up there. Yeah, it was so interesting. We used 4 hours to get there and 2 hours to get down. Yeah, we used a different route. So guys, thank you. This is one of the things that you can do in Malawi. And don't forget to book my tour guide. Simeon, he's so patient. The number of time I rested. It's so crazy, but he waited for me all those whiles to give me energy. But whilst coming down, I'm just like, no rest. No. Yeah. So, bye. I see Malawi exploring. We're coming from there. Guys, can you see that?
Yeah, the towers, guys.
Yeah.
We've just passed it here.
Now, I can't even feel my legs anymore. They are gone.
Yeah.
My legs are gone. I can't feel my legs anymore. Shima. To end the day. Guys, I've put in some pepper and it's very hot. So I have to mix it with.
Add some.
Okay, taking this one. Could it be the tallest mountain in Malawi? Let me know that in the comment section, because wow, that was tough. I really pushed myself to this hike, but I'm so glad I did it. It completely drained me. So of course I had to recharge with some Ishima. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next upload. I love you all and bye.